Hi, this is Mike Kaufman, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get funky with Google filters, meaning I'm going to show you how to get into some advanced search features that Google has in their search engine, which is going to allow you to get better images when you're searching for images, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So the first thing I do is I want to just search whatever it is I'm looking for. In this case, I'm going to search an image of a book. Now I'm going to click over on images. Now my next step is to head over to Tools. And when I click on the Tools, a drop-down menu of 6 different options is going to pop up. Right? And the first one being size. Right there I'm going to get a different choice of sizes for images, which is important for trying to find images that are large, for example, to fill the background of like a slides presentation, or if you're trying to find with the desktop background image, you want large images. If you want something that has high clarity or high resolution, again, you can switch the sizes there of your choosing. Now, the next feature which I love is also being able to search by color. This is super helpful because whenever you're creating a presentation, you do want to find a color scheme, right? A set of colors that go together, and this will allow you to work in those color ranges. So for example, I could click on blue, right? And then when I search that, I'm going to get pictures of blue books. Now another super awesome feature here in images is when you click on transparent. And what's that going to do is it's going to find those images that have transparent backgrounds. All right, and I can tell when I click on the image because the background right comes up right there and has those checkered boxes, right, meaning that there's nothing in the background. So if I'm going to insert that image and overlay it or put it on top of another image, I won't have a colored box around it. Now the next thing is I can mess with the type of image, right? I can maybe look for something that's clip art, right? If I'm doing a presentation that has clip art images to keep things consistent, or maybe line drawings, and so forth. Again, this just allows us to get specific types of images to keep them consistent with the work that you're using. You can also talk about the time things are posted. And then the next one I want to spend a little bit of time in is usage rights. So the usage rights are when you're going to take a look at what you're going to be allowed to do. You find images that are going to be labeled for different types of uses, right? Different types of licenses. That works on the idea of the Creative Commons that you've learned before. And so here you get different options, right? Labeled for reuse with modification, meaning the creator, the owner of the image says you can use it as long as you modify it or change it in some way. Completely labeled for reuse, right? It means you can use that image in your presentation. For non-commercial reuse with modification, and then labeled for non-commercial use, which would be you can use the image as long as you're not making money from it. And then the next set of options is the more tools. Again, you can check out show different sizes and so forth, and you can also clear the settings that you have set up, so it'll go back then to the generic general search. So that is it. That is a little bit in how to up and get funky with Google filters when you're searching for images and how to find something that's specific and fits your needs. Good luck searching.